Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
I had a great day.
I had a great day.
I had a nice meal.
I had a nice meal.
I had a lot of fun.
I had a lot of fun.
I had a busy morning.
I had a busy morning.
I had an interesting conversation.
I had an interesting conversation.
I had no idea.
I had no idea.
I had a little help.
I had a little help.
I had a cold last week.
I had a cold last week.
I had enough sleep.
I had enough sleep.
I had a bad feeling.
I had a bad feeling.
I had some free time.
I had some free time.
I had an appointment.
I had an appointment.
I had a strange dream.
I had a strange dream.
I had my doubts.
I had my doubts.
I had a flat tire.
I had a flat tire.
I had a sudden thought.
I had a sudden thought.
I had a good laugh.
I had a good laugh.
I had a wonderful experience.
I had a wonderful experience.
I had a question for her.
I had a question for her.
I had no choice.
I had no choice.
I had a hard time.
I had a hard time.
I had my reasons.
I had my reasons.
I had a slight headache.
I had a slight headache.
I had a nice surprise.
I had a nice surprise.
I had my phone with me.
I had my phone with me.
I had no luck.
I had no luck.
I had to leave early.
I had to leave early.
I had a kind teacher.
I had a kind teacher.
I had a pet rabbit.
I had a pet rabbit.
I had a big problem.
I had a big problem.
I had the best time.
I had the best time.
I had nothing to say.
I had nothing to say.
I had forgotten about it.
I had forgotten about it.
I had a great opportunity.
I had a great opportunity.
I had a heavy bag.
I had a heavy bag.
I had a new idea.
I had a new idea.
I had a plan in mind.
I had a plan in mind.
I had an old car.
I had an old car.
I had an extra ticket.
I had an extra ticket.
I had an accident.
I had an accident.
I had my umbrella.
I had my umbrella.
I had a long walk.
I had a long walk.
I had to stay late.
I had to stay late.
I had my suspicions.
I had my suspicions.
I had a little snack.
I had a little snack.
I had a lot to learn.
I had a lot to learn.
I had great teachers.
I had great teachers.
I had a good seat.
I had a good seat.
I had a big appetite.
I had a big appetite.
I had my glasses on.
I had my glasses on.
I had a good reason.
I had a good reason.
I had an urgent call.
I had an urgent call.
I had an amazing trip.
I had an amazing trip.
I had an unusual day.
I had an unusual day.
I had a strong feeling.
I had a strong feeling.
I had a difficult choice.
I had a difficult choice.
I had everything ready.
I had everything ready.
I had a lot of questions.
I had a lot of questions.
I had a chance to help.
I had a chance to help.
I had the answer wrong.
I had the answer wrong.
I had some help cleaning.
I had some help cleaning.
I had a sweet dessert.
I had a sweet dessert.
I had a successful meeting.
I had a successful meeting.
I had to redo my project.
I had to redo my project.
I had so much fun playing.
I had so much fun playing.
I had a strange encounter.
I had a strange encounter.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.